This is Cruise News Today with Doug Parker.
Good morning. Here's your cruise news for Monday, December 12th. The world's largest cruise ship has floated out of Turku shipyard in Finland. Royal Caribbean's Icon of the Seas touched the water for the first time on Friday, and this weekend it was moved to the outfitting pier where construction will continue. The ship will be 250,000 gross registered tons and over 13,000 gross tons over the current world's largest ship, Wonder of the Seas. Icon of the Seas is scheduled to debut in January of 24 and operate a year-round schedule of Caribbean voyages from Port Miami. And some news that some didn't want to hear. Citing supply chain issues, Meyer Werft Shipyard informed Carnival Cruise Line that its third Excel-class Carnival Jubilee ship will be delayed by 2 months. Instead of launching in October of 23 as previously planned, the ship will begin sailing in late December. As a result, 6 voyages have been canceled. The original October 30th transatlantic cruise, plus 5 additional cruises from Texas. The new inaugural sailing is scheduled to be a Christmas cruise departing out of Texas on December 23rd. Carnival Jubilee will operate year-round 7-night cruises from Texas to the Western Caribbean. And things that go bump in the day and night. German cruise ship AIDAbella was involved in an accident Thursday morning when it hit the dock in Hamburg, Germany. The vessel collided with the pier at the cruise terminal, causing significant damage, a dent, and a vertical crack in the stern of the vessel. There were no reported injuries, but the ship was not allowed to begin its next voyage, which would have started that day. AIDA Cruises said its technical issue was likely the cause of the accident and the repairs would begin immediately. AIDAbella was on the back end of a 26-day voyage on Thursday when it was scheduled to begin a 43-day Christmas and New Year's cruise to the Caribbean. That sailing will likely begin sometime this week. And cruise line stocks were down on Friday. Carnival Corporation down 2%, 18.87. Royal Caribbean down 1.5%, 56.21. And Norwegian down 2.5%, 15.34. Breaking news and more industry coverage at cruiseradio.net. Here aboard Carnival Celebration for an 8-night cruise to the Eastern Caribbean. We have a sea day today. Grand Turk, Amber Cove, San Juan, and then St. Thomas. I'm Doug Parker with Cruise News Today. Have yourself a great Monday.
The proceeding was a production of Cruise Radio. For more accurate and dependable updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit cruiseradio.net.